Good morning.
Okay, so topic is can online classes replace classroom teacher? First of all, yes, it has. It has already done it. Right? We don't need to discuss much. But yes, come to the point. As one of my friend talked about civilization, so I will come first on that point. Right? Not pointing out him. But the thing is, there are many things in our civilization which are supposed to be changed according to time. Right? And education system is one of them. Because we have seen a lot of flaws, right? A lot of drawbacks in our education system, due to which students are not able to grow in a all-round, in terms of their all-round development. Right? They are studying only a particular subject in schools, due to which they are unable to develop their other aspects. Now, what we need to realize, as per the today's scenario, we have to realize this lifestyle has become so fast. Right? We are doing a lot of stuff. We are not just only studying. Right? So in that moment, if we have to manage something for our school, like at 7 o'clock we have to reach there, and if we talk about that, it is something which makes us disciplined. So I don't think so. Right? First of all, look at in this way, like somebody is forcing you that now you have to go at 7 o'clock, otherwise you won't get entry. Right? Then you have to stay there for entire time, then you have to come back your home. Right? It is around 5 to 6 hours. Right? Almost. But what if everything is in your surrounding? Right? You can actually save a lot of your time. And if you are a good manager of your time and you know how to become disciplined, you will actually start, managing time for your other activities that you do, about your hobbies, about your passion, about your dreams, about your ambitions, about any extracurricular activity that you would like to do. Right? As like you want to learn English, you can. You want to learn coding, you can. Right? You get extra time for this. As we know that in our schools and education system, homework is given more emphasis. Right? Homework is something which is the key to make us learn, make us cram the things. Right? Do we learn them? We cram them. Right? Why? How? By writing everything in the notebook. So there was a lesson in class 9, which was the fun they had. Is there anyone who remember that lesson? Right? You remember. So it was something about computer teachers. Right? It was about the scenario of 2157. Right? When everyone have the computer teacher. When book was something new. And the same era has arrived in our modern era, right? Because the arrival of e-books, arrival of online teacher give the vastness in terms of education, right? So it is not only about that you have only single teacher to teach you, and there are many times when you are not able to get the concept from a single teacher, right? Maybe you are not able to match his frequency, maybe you are not able to understand the words he says, or maybe you are not mentally connected with the person. On that moment, internet is something which gives you a vastness. Right? It gives you a wide range of teachers, wide range of concepts, and it gives you an opportunity to go into deep, and you do it by your own research. Right? So that is something which makes you more mature and understandable about the concept, that what you are supposed to study, right? What you need to study, you can as easily analyze it, because you yourself accept it. Right? In your education system, there are a lot of things which are nowhere asked in your life. Right? There are a lot of things, but when you go online, you will never search on that things. You will search on only those things which are very practical to you, which are related to your dreams. And come to the classes, I would say online classes has overtaken them, class teachers. Though I'm not saying that schools are bad, right? Schools are good. We need to go to school, but yes, as the lifestyle has become so rapid these days, we need to come up with something new, and the new has arrived. Right? That is the online teacher. It is giving you the vastness. And that is not something which is, something to be hidden, or something to be, like teacher gives you moral support. Like this is something which your YouTube views tell, right? If you go on any video on YouTube, right, you will get to see that there are millions of views. What does that mean? That means that people are oriented towards it, right? You will never see millions of students in a school. It's obvious, right? But you will see, right, that the teacher who is teaching well, you can directly, learn from the concept from the person. Right? So it is giving you vastness, and when you get a lot of option, that ultimately becomes very easy for you to understand, because you do not learn the same concept from a single person. You learn from different person with different opinion and the same subject. So you get a wide range of thinking. Right? So this is something you need to grow, because the problem is with our attitude. Right? We cannot develop much attitude because we do not have much things to much ways of looking at the things. But once we start learning from different teachers, we can actually gain the attitude of them. And this is what something which develops our moral education too. because you'll get to know how to work. And you cannot deny this fact that that online classes do not maintain discipline. It is you who do not maintain discipline. If you turn off your notifications, if you cannot turn your notifications, it's your fault, right? If you cannot ignore messages, if you mute your audio, if you turn off your camera, whose fault is this? It's obviously yours. So there is a particular etiquette of attending anything, whether you are in an offline class or in an online class. In an offline class, we people have seen that. People commonly have lunch in the class, they talk with each other, they make fun. Even I have made fun of my teacher many times. So there are etiquettes for everything. Same goes with the online class. There is a particular etiquette for this, right? And we need to develop it, right? We cannot assume that everything comes, directly from the God to us. We need to develop it, right? Only then we will be able to manage in this. And now scenario has completely changed. We need to accept the changes, right? For that we need to change ourselves first, right? So I think so that if you are able to change yourself, you are going to adapt yourself in terms of this online classes too, right? Because right now government has not seen in the account like they need to focus on online classes. They have not taken into the account that these things are need to be implemented. Government has not thought that much, but due to pandemic now it has come into the play, right? But later on it has to be a part of our education system, because it is ultimately developing us, right? So this is my all views about online classes, and I hope so that we need to look in an optimistic way towards everything that brings change towards society.